Learn Canva, one design at a time. Learn. Need to write scroll-stopping social media captions for your photos in seconds? Let Magic Write in Canva Sheets do the work for you. Here I've my Canva sheet ready with images inserted. I need to create stunning Instagram posts with these product images, and those posts need some text overlays. Start by selecting an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Magic Write. You will see a text input box showing prompt anything. Type your prompt based on what you need. For example, scroll-stopping Instagram caption for pink satin bow. Press enter or click on purple up arrow on the text box. Magic Write will start generating the text. In seconds, it gives you smart, tailored results right in your sheet. See how magical it added the text to beautifully describe this pink satin bow. We can repeat the same steps to generate attention-grabbing captions for other images as well. Magic Write can turn data into captions, content summaries, or trends, perfect for planning social posts based on campaign results or audience insights. Create, edit, analyze, and write, all inside Canva. No more juggling between Excel, Google Sheets, and your social content planner. With a simple prompt, Magic Write can suggest catchy captions and trending hashtags, directly based on the data in your sheet. Canva Sheets supports real-time collaboration. Your team can drop in ideas, track content plans, and use Magic Write together to brainstorm faster. Subscribe for daily Canva wins.